Today I'm going to show you how to make $1,500 per week selling Facebook likes in bulk using this secret hack. And yes, this is a free method and it's available worldwide. But make sure you stay tuned until the end, as I will reveal a bonus tip that's going to make this much easier. But before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the valuable content we have planned coming very soon. Now let's get into the video. Hello and welcome to Online Moneymaker. In today's video, we are going to be using Google to figure out how to sell Facebook likes. And before we get started, I should mention that you are not going to get paid to like posts. No, we are going to sell Facebook likes in bulk. Let me explain to you what I mean. First of all, go to Google and type in buy Facebook likes. As you can see, there are plenty of places where you can buy Facebook likes and any type of social media, like, follow, whatever. But I just want to show you how expensive these are. So let's just click on this one right here, instafollowers.com. And I just want to show you their pricing here. So let's just go to Facebook services, come down to Facebook likes, and let's see the pricing here. So as we can see that you can buy 500 Facebook likes for $19.71. You can buy 1,000 Facebook likes for $35.91, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty expensive. So you can see how valuable these things are. Now let me show you where these people are getting these Facebook likes from, because the fact of the matter is these companies, these websites are buying Facebook likes from a wholesaler, and I'm going to show you how to find those wholesalers. What you really want to be searching on Google is SMM Panel. So these social media likes, follows, etc. are really called SMM Panel. So type that into Google and let's find these wholesalers. By doing a simple Google search of SMM Panel, sorry, that's kind of a tongue twister for me today. Now we can see where these people over here are buying theirs from. This is the wholesale side. So this is where you want to be searching. This is what these other companies trying to sell these things do not want you to know. And there's tons of these places. There's 1,000 of these places where you can buy Facebook likes, Instagram followers, whatever, in bulk. Okay, but one I like the most here, I've already got a couple picked out for you. The first one is called socialupper.com. So this is socialupper.com. You can see this right here. They want you to be popular. Well, you're going to be pretty popular when you make all this money selling Facebook likes. And oh, on that note, I'm not buying my likes on these videos. So if you could just help me out and hit that like button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me just show you these guys' price. You just go to services right here, and then we want to go over to down to so you can see they have, like, you can buy Instagram followers, you can buy all that crap. So let's just go down here and we'll hit the Facebook section and just see their pricing. I think you're going to be pretty amazed. So here we are at the Facebook post likes section, and you can see right here that you can buy 4,500 likes for $4. You can buy 5,000 likes for $4.68. You can buy 20,000 likes for $11.47. So 5,000 likes for $5. These other guys over here, let's see what they're selling these for. Look at this. They're selling 500 likes for $19.71. So the fact of the matter is these people are buying these likes from here and reselling them at an insane profit, okay? This isn't the only place to get these. Let me show you another one. This is another site where you can get social media likes for dirt cheap. I'm talking basement prices. This is called yoyomedia.in. yoyomedia.in. And let me just show you what these guys have to offer. So here in their Facebook likes section, we can see that the rate per 1,000 likes right here, $2, okay? $2 for 1,000 likes. Let's go see what these other guys were selling 1,000 likes for. These guys are selling 1,000 likes for $35. So you can see the profit that is involved here. These guys are making a killing, okay? So Like I said, there's a million different places to buy these things. Okay, so we know they're cheap. Now the next question is, how are you going to make money selling these. Let's get to that right now. So for this, we just need to do a simple Google search. And before we go any further, keep in mind that you don't need to invest any money. This is like drop shipping, if you know what drop shipping is. You don't have to buy these likes until somebody buys them from you. Does that make sense? So basically, you are going to approach different businesses via Google, via your Facebook page, and offer them 1,000 likes for $20, $30, whatever you want, because you know you're only paying $2, but you're not paying that $2 until said business agrees to buy them from you. So we need to search businesses that really rely on social media, their social proof for business. So let's just let's start with restaurants near me. Just type in restaurants near me. So for this part of the search, I like to come down to the map section, and yes, you can see that I am coming to you from beautiful Santa Monica, California. Can I get a like for that, please? Boom, thank you. So what you need to do here is you need to just click the first one, just go to their website, and you should, okay, good. You should see, we don't want all this, just kind of get through that crap. We want to get down to we want to find their social media icon. So you can see right here on the upper right-hand corner, we see Facebook. So this will work for any industry, by the way. I'm just using restaurants as an example. So you want to click on their Facebook icon here, and that should take you to their Facebook page, and it does. First thing you want to do is see when their last post was made. If it's anything further out than 6 months, you want to move on to the next. And I can see that Frito Misto here, they made their last post on September 9th, 2020. So we want to move on from them. A better approach might be to Google new restaurants. So you want to find new businesses that just have a brand new, they're a brand new business, they've got brand new social media accounts, and you want to get them you message them through your Facebook page. That's how this is done. That's why you have to have a Facebook page. Message them and tell them, hey, I see you're a new business. I can get you all kinds of social proof right now to make your business look more legit. And that's only going to create more business for them. So chances are, if you hit 5 of these restaurants, at least one of them is going to purchase from you. And however much work you put into this is what you're going to get out of it. And again, this takes very little time and it takes no money to get started. Now, there is another way to do this, and I'm going to show you that right now. So if Google searching restaurants doesn't work for you, this will. You need to go to Yelp.com. Okay, if you don't know what Yelp.com is, I call them the mafia of businesses. This is a review site where ordinary customers can leave reviews of businesses. Now, Yelp is responsible for making businesses and in most cases breaking businesses. And I know from experience that being a business owner myself, if you don't pay to advertise with Yelp, they will prioritize all your negative reviews. And how this works is they have a star rating, 0 to 5 stars for businesses. So you need to sign up for a free account, and then you need to search restaurants anywhere, really, and you want to find the ones with the lowest review score. You want to find ones with like half a star, 0 star, 1 star, because those are the businesses that need help. So if they have a low score on Yelp, at least you can approach them via your Facebook page and say, hey, I noticed on Yelp you have a lot of poor reviews. Well, we can counteract that by boosting your social media presence, your social media, clout. So this I have used actually. You're kind of taking advantage of a business while they're down, but hey, everybody's in it to make money. And think of it this way: you're making money, and you're also giving social proof to a business that needs it. Because if you want to go out to a restaurant and you see that they've got crappy reviews, but then you go to their social media pages, their Facebook page, their Instagram page, and they've got 10,000 likes and 10,000 follows, whatever, you might say, okay, maybe the general public knows something that I don't know, because basically Yelp is for a bunch of Karens, if you know what a Karen is. Karens hang out on Yelp all day. They go to restaurants, they go to businesses just in hopes that they can, get on Yelp and leave a crappy review. They've got nothing else to do. So this is how you sell Facebook likes, social media follows in bulk. You can see the profit margin. This has been Online Moneymaker. If you liked this video today, give it a like for me and make sure you subscribe to the channel.